Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you three powerful automation scripts in Python. Python is a powerful programming language which is useful in almost every field, starting from web development, automating scripts, AI, data analysis, and so on. So let's get started. Three scripts which we are going to see in this video are get YouTube subscribers count, extract all images from the website, convert all images from a folder to a PDF. Okay, let's get started. The first script, get YouTube subscribers count. Now, we're going to use this powerful library Beautiful Soup to do a kind of a web scraping and get the subscribers count. First, navigate to your YouTube channel, whichever channel you want. In this case, my channel is Santosh Balaji Ramesh. And once I go to this channel, I see here subscribers count 496. But is it that simple to get this subscriber count? One needs to do is do an F12 or go to this inspect menu, click on this element icon, and just click here. Could it be that simple just to get the span element and the number? But it's not that simple, as I learned from the script. What we see here is a URL which you need, like I said before, and here, depending upon your area, we predefine the accept language, the language in which always this request to be made. It's in English, US, and now we do a kind of a web scraping, send a request to the URL along with the headers, and get the content. With this HTML parser, you get a soup object. Now let's just try to see what has been retrieved. So when I execute this, so I get a bunch of text. I get a debug text, which I did a prettify here. So it's not legible right now. Just I'll open in another new tab, and let me just quickly scroll for 496, which we saw previously, and it's only available 2 times in this whole of the text, and it's not in the place where we saw. So yeah, so basically what we have to do is retrieve this portion and tell the comment here regex pattern, regular expression pattern, and which will exactly look for this content and subscribers, and the number can be retrieved. Yeah, so match this regex pattern, and then you have your subscribers count. So I can hide this print command, and then I just, here you have your subscribers count. Let's go to the second script, extracting all images from the website. Now here I have the starting point is going to be your line number 19 and 20, the base URL and URL. Let me just quickly open Google. So we have here the Google. I can see here an image, and let's try to retrieve this image. Quickly done here in the script is retrieve the get a destination folder where you want to save your images. Again, do a web scraping here and iterate through all the image tags which we find in the website, and if the image does not start with data, in case of SVGs or base 64 encoded strings, then we process this tag, get the source element, and we need to make sure the URL is a safe URL, meaning if it does not have HTTPS in the beginning, or the domain or the protocol name, then we need to add them. Again, get the data, image data, and store it in the file. Okay, so now let's see this function script in action. I just control enter it. Okay, we have here one images or one image source tag, and then we can see here under image folder the images. So that was for a simple website like google.de. Now we do another website where I know for sure a lot of images exist, and define a base URL that's going to be my domain name with the protocol, and then my URL is just going to be this URL fragment. Okay, let's run the script again. Check. So it's starting download and write it into the file. Voila, all images downloaded. Let's just check again. Yeah, it's been downloaded. Okay, now let's go for the third and final script for the day, convert images to PDF. In order to do this, you need to install this module Pillow using pip install Pillow, and here's a script below. This takes all the images from the folder img and appends to the PDF. Script is basically self-explanatory, and let's see it in action. So it seems to be working. Okay, here we go. The PDF is being generated. That's it for today. So see you. Bye bye.